Welcome back to Tiny RV Cooking. First, I'd like to invite you to like, subscribe, share, and ring that bell for new notification of videos. I'll be putting out new videos every Monday and Wednesday. So today we'll be making barbacoa in the slow cooker. If you'd like to see how I make this super easy recipe, stay tuned and I'll show you how. I found this recipe from the Recipe Critic. I'll leave the link down below where you can find this great recipe. The ingredients we're going to need are chuck roast cut in cubes. I cut mine in cubes already, and salt and pepper it. Pepper, olive oil, or you can use canola oil, salt, cumin, oregano, ground cloves, beef broth or beef base, chipotle peppers and adobe sauce, lime juice, and minced garlic. To a hot pan, we're going to add our beef and just to brown it. Don't overcrowd your pan. Work in batches if you need to. We're going to add it to our crock pot. And put our last batch in. Is it done? All this beautiful fawn right here, you don't want to throw that away. You want to reuse it. So we're going to put a little bit of our base in. Just so we can pull it up. Throw it in on top of your beef. Hope you can see that. For your adobes, it's going to be depends on how hot you're going to want it. Oh, mine are adobes and peppers. I didn't realize I grabbed that until just now. I think 2 is good enough. I can always add more later if I want it a little more spicy. We're going to add our broth, the rest of it. We're going to add a little bit of pepper because I already add pepper. A little bit of salt for the same reason. Added salt already. You can always add more salt and pepper later. Our lime juice, our garlic, and the rest of our seasoning, the cumin, the oregano, and the cloves. And we're going to pulse this until it's well incorporated. Okay, let's check it. My peppers are all blended up. We're going to pour it over our beef. Take out our thing in the middle. Just pour all over it. Get all the flavors out. You can always adjust flavor seasoning later, so we'll come back in when it's close to being done and check it. I set to low for 8 hours, but because I want my dinner done by 3, I'm going to raise it up when it's got last 2 hours to go. So we'll go to finish it off on high heat just to finish it off faster. It's been 6 hours. Now it's time to check to see if our meat is done. It is pulling right off. Can you see that? Let me see if I can get you a little closer. I don't even think we need to take it out to shred it. We just use our tongs and shred it. And now it's finally time to dish up. I personally don't want all this juice in my tortilla, so I'm going to take what I want out and squeeze it out in a strainer. But I do want to keep the juice. I have a mat I'm going to put it on. I have my tortilla. Going to put a little bit on my tortilla. My lettuce. Cheese. Sour cream. A little bit of pink alio. And a little bit of red salsa. Here's one. Kind of flatten it out. And I'm going to make another tortilla. We're going to have 2. I'm going to get a little bit of this broth out. So if I want to, I can dip my tortilla in it. This is going to have a lot of flavor. And now it's finally time to eat. Can't wait to try it. It looks so good. And if there was a smell-o-vision, my camper smells heavenly and I'm starving. Hi, we're at my dinette. It's much easier for me to eat sitting down than standing up, especially with these delicious tacos and the sauce that goes with it. Let's give it a try. Can't wait. one more bite. Just too good. The sauce, the meat, everything goes so well together. This is so good. Pretty easy to make too. If you don't have a food processor or a blender, chop up everything really fine and whisk it together till it's all merged. Then just throw it on top of the beef and continue cooking it in the crock pot. Really good flavors. They meld together well. If you don't want that much heat, take out some of the chipotles. Just put as much as you want in there. It is really easy to make. Thank you for coming to Tiny RV Cooking. I'd like to invite you to like, subscribe, share, and ring that bell for new notification on videos. I put out new videos every Monday and Wednesday. My camper is only 22 foot long, but I love her. I'll see you next time on Tiny RV Cooking. Bye!